Hey, so I've been commuting a lot on my Desert Sled and figured it's about time to do a proper review on the Pro Race exhaust I installed a few weeks ago. I've only been riding it with a silencer in around town, so I figured it'd be a good test to get out in the sticks and let it really open up. So, if you're curious how loud this thing can get, you're in the right place. Let me first say that if you'd like to see how I installed it on the bike, check out my install video. It's important to install a high performance air filter as well, which is more or less the hardest part of the swap. Anyways, back to the exhaust. Aero claims the exhaust adds a power gain of 2.5 horsepower with a weight savings of 5 kilograms. More importantly, they claim a static noise level increase of about 1 decibel and a torque gain of about 1.08 newton meters. Let's see how those specs hold up. The sound is honestly amazing. If I could spend all day at 7,000 RPM, I would. The bike has noticeably much more power at the top end, and in my opinion, is much quicker getting up to speed with a torqueier bottom end. At the end of the day, if there's anything you should get out of this review, it's that the Aero Pro Race exhaust is proper loud and proper fun. So if you're considering making the swap, do it. You won't regret it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Gonna try to keep getting more of these out as we're all stuck inside trying to avoid the coronavirus. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Catch you guys on the next one.